Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an orange mojito. First, you'll want to gather your fresh ingredients. Take about 10 to 12 mint leaves, 2 to 3 orange slices, and 1 to 2 lime wedges. Place these into a sturdy glass, then add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Gently muddle these together for about 30 seconds, just enough to release the fragrant oils without tearing the mint. Now that your base is muddled, it's time to add the liquids. Carefully pour in 2 ounces of your favorite white rum. Next, add 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. This provides a crucial tart counterpoint. Then, introduce 1 1/2 ounces of fresh orange juice, which gives our mojito its signature citrus twist. Stir these ingredients gently to combine all the flavors. With the main liquids in, it's time to chill your mojito to perfection. Fill your glass completely to the brim with crushed ice. This ensures a consistently cold and refreshing drink. Then, slowly top off the mixture with about 4 to 5 ounces of crisp club soda. Give it a very light stir, just enough to gently incorporate the carbonation without losing its fizz. Your orange mojito is almost ready to enjoy. For the perfect presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your glass. Place a fresh orange slice on the rim or directly into the drink. Then, add a vibrant sprig of fresh mint, gently clapped between your hands to release its fragrance. Serve your beautifully crafted mojito immediately and savor its delightful flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.